I'm not hibernating, I'm planning.
Y'all fell down.
I'm compiling some things to put away to give you guys in another giveaway. I don't get what they're cutting. Before you guys revoke my black card, it's the colors for me.
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues.
Hey soul sisters, and of course my soul brothers, wagwan. Welcome to another video. Welcome to all my new subscribers and my new audience members. Hey, how y'all doing? If this is the first time you are seeing a video from me, if this is the first time you are seeing my face, if this is the first time you've been in my garden and been on my channel, come on up, come on up, come on up, come on up to the front of the comment section. I want to personally say hi to you and welcome you. Hi. Hey, my name is Nardia and I am in Northwest Ohio, Zone 6B. And I am your favorite soil sister. It is cold out here, you guys, cold. Why am I out here? Because you guys know I do not like the cold. I don't like it. But we have to feed the soil. These are the necessary things that we have to get done if we want healthy, productive, abundant gardens. So what I'm gonna do today is I have an entire pile of leaves in front of me. I'm gonna show you guys in the camera real quick. The landscapers that cut my neighbor's grass, they just dump all the grass clippings and the mulch and the leaf clippings in my yard because I asked them to, and they're so nice to me. They also cut my grass in the summertime, but I stop their service during the fall time because, like, I don't know what they're cutting. I don't see the point. I just don't. I don't. So in the summertime they're gonna be back cutting my grass again, but in the fall time, like, I don't understand what these neighbors are cutting. I don't get what they're cutting. Anyway, so they dumped all the grass clippings and the leaf mulch in my yard because, like I said, I asked them to. And now I have to move all that from where I am right here to all the way over there to put in my raised beds. Because, you guys, in case you didn't know, leaf mulch is garden gold, okay? It is garden gold. So even though I'm cold, I understand the importance of using this rich, nutritious, nature-provided, essential, organic material to feed my garden. So that over the next few months, as the winter continues on and spring come, the leaves will just break down and just compost down and just turn to just goodness in the garden. And also it helps for some of the things that I planted, like my garlic and stuff. It's also going to help to keep moisture in the soil and also keep it a little bit warm so it doesn't freeze too much. As usual, that's a lot of talking and I don't want to be out here. So let me put my gloves on because I'm kind of cold. Let me get my rake and let me try to make this as quick as possible so we can head back inside. This is the pile that we're raking up. It's a good amount, it's a lot. I already have some leaves in the raised beds, but can never have too much. So this is how it's looking. And they dumped it right here. So I have to carry all this all the way down there.
Y'all fell down. Y'all okay?
Y'all fell down. I'm sorry. Are y'all good? I'm so sorry about that. It's the wind. Oh, give me a hug. You okay? I'm so sorry y'all fell down. I'm sorry, y'all.
Satisfying you when I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight.
It's been about an hour and a half and I'm done. Did I get all the leaves up? No, but the beds and the pots and everything is all full and I have some more leaves left, but I can put that down another time. Let me show you. This is how the pile is looking now. So we still have this section right here, but all of this right here is what I got rid of. So a good amount. And let me show you where I put it. All the raised beds. And it's windy out here, you guys, so if you're hearing the wind, I'm sorry, but it's really windy. But all the raised beds are filled. Remember, these raised beds here at the front, all the ones in the front, except for the one at the end down there, they have no soil in them. It's just, I've been filling them with layers of cardboard, layers of compost, and layers of leaves, so that in the springtime, when I get the soil, hopefully everything will compost down and I can just put the soil right on top. Only this one here at the end, at the bottom, has soil in it because I planted the garlic in there, and I have these window screens right on top to protect from the squirrels or chipmunks or anything else digging in to get my bulbs, my garlic bulbs. But I also took the screens off and I put some leaf mulch on top of it, and then I put the screens back on. Then in all the beds back here, this was my garden beds from this past garden season. They all had soil in them already, and this is what I grew in this past garden season. I just topped off every single one of them with the leaf mulch all the way to the top. This might be overkill. I might be doing the most. It might be a whole lot of leaf mulch, but I'd rather have it than not have it. I'm hoping by the springtime it will compost down enough, and I do plan on topping off these beds with more soil as well. Hopefully they compost down a lot. It looks like a lot and it's filled all the way up to the top, but as the season progresses, as it snows, as it rains, it will compact down. And like I said, I do plan to top these beds off with more soil. I know it's a lot. And if it really is too much by next spring and it's still too much leaf, ain't no problem. I could just rake it off. I could just simply rake it off and we're still good. So I'd rather have it than not have it at all. If you haven't done so already, this is your sign. This video right here, this is your sign to go outside. Even though it's cold, even though it's chilly, and you know, I don't want to be out here. Go outside and get your leaf. Feeding the soil is what will feed your plants. Nothing else will feed your plants but if you feed the soil. That's just how it works. You need a good, healthy, well, nutritious soil in order to get good plants next growing season. It's all about the soil. All about the soil. Trust me. So get your leaf, top up your garden beds. Just do it real quick. Just do it real quick and go back inside. Speaking of go back inside, let's go inside because now I'm cold. I'll take care of this other pile another day. But let's go inside. I have some stuff to show you guys. Let me show you some stuff inside. You guys, we're inside. My nose is all cold and everything, but I did it. And I know future me in the spring and summer is going to thank me for sacrificing today and being out in the cold. Future me, when I see my garden looking all lush and beautiful and everything's just thriving and growing, remember this day, Nardia. Remember this day. So we're inside now, because I want to show you some exciting things that I got. Remember, you guys, about 2 videos ago, was it 2 videos? Well, I told you guys that Botanical Interest is having their Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. I'll put all the information on the screen right here. All the information is on the screen right here. If you're interested, if you need something for the garden right now, I know with the situation, with the economy and what's going on around us, with the climate of, you know, what's going on in the US right now, a lot of people we're not feeling Black Friday shopping. We're not feeling like spending our money. We're just like, we're sitting this one out. Trust me, I get it. Totally understand. But if you are in the need for garden supplies, and for me, I find that these are things, in my opinion, that are, what is the word? Not necessities per se, but they're securities to help secure a healthier body, to help secure healthier, nutritious food. You know, they're not like frivolous things. So with me, you know, I feel like these things are a little bit different than, like, let's say, going crazy to buy a TV. I'm just saying. But it's your pockets, it's your beliefs. I still love y'all regardless. Whatever you decide to do, however you decide to spend your coins, still got love for y'all. So, but I want to let you guys know, totally understand the climate in America right now. But if you are interested in purchasing anything from Botanical Interest, they have an amazing sale going on right now. Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. Also, you can use my discount code because I am a Botanical Interest ambassador. Hold on. Let me represent Botanical Interest the right way. Let me put my hat on. I am, okay, a Botanical Interest ambassador, all right? Please don't flatten my curls, hat. Please don't flatten my curls. I also placed an order with Botanical Interest to get some things that I know I want to secure right now and use in my garden for 2026. We got a whole box full of things. First thing we got are grow bags. I already have the 15-gallon grow bags outside. I've been using them. I have the 5-pack. This time I went bigger. This is the 25-gallon lined grow bags, and it's also a 5-pack of grow bags. Can y'all see? They are big. They are big. I got the 5-pack of the 25-gallon grow bag. Can't wait to use these outside. I think I'm going to be planting my sweet potatoes in these. Yeah, sweet potatoes in these, and the 15-gallon, my regular potatoes. Because when I plant potatoes, I like to plant them in a pot, or this will be my first time planting them in a grow bag, so that I don't have to like dig down too much in the soil to find the potatoes. I could just throw off the soil like on a tarp or something, and then pick out the potatoes and put the soil back in. So these will be for my potatoes, sweet potatoes. Next, I don't know if I should show this to you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to y'all, but I'm not gonna open it. This is another grow bag. It's only one, but this one, you guys, is 60 gallon. Can y'all see that? 60 gallon. The reason why I'm not opening this, even though I do want to see the size for myself, even though I want to see how big it is, I'm not opening it because I plan on doing a giveaway, you guys. Another giveaway, yes. I know I'm doing one right now. I know I've already done a giveaway, but I appreciate y'all. So I want to give you guys more. And this was one of the things that I picked up when I was doing my order from Botanical Interest. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to purchase this and I'm going to include it in a giveaway. So unfortunately, I can't open it to show you guys the size, but I'm putting this to the side to give to one of y'all to show you guys how much I appreciate y'all. I'm compiling some things to put away to give you guys in another giveaway. It's the color for me. It's the colors for me. It's the colors for me. More seed starting trays. These ones are the raspberry color. I love them. So far from Botanical Interest, I have currently I have the light pink ones. I also have, hopefully the camera is picking it up, but this is the mint green. And now I have the raspberry. Oh, they look so beautiful. It's the colors for me. I know you guys probably thought from seeing that my raised beds, everything was all black. You guys probably all thought that black is my favorite color. Clearly you can see, look at this room. I absolutely love color. I just like the fact that my raised beds outside are black because I feel like it shows the plants more. It emphasizes the plants more. They stand out more against the black raised beds. But everything else in my life, rainbow, colorful, give me all the colors. 6-pack of the raspberry seed starting 6-cell trays. And these, y'all, let somebody come and try to rob this house. This will knock a nigga out, okay? Strong, them tough, them tough. To go with the 6 cell tray, I got the tray liner in black. I do wish they had the tray liners in color as well, because I'm gonna stack these up like that. And this holds 12 of them. So we got the 6 raspberries right here and the tray liner. So this is what I just got, and I'm going to put the green ones over on this side, which I already got before. Let me show you. Ooh, look at it. Look at the colors. I actually wish I wanted another set of the green ones, the mint color, but they were sold out. There was no more mint. So the next one I got was raspberry. I also got Epic Heat Mat. When you're starting certain seeds, they need that heat for them to germinate. So I got this heat mat. Let's open it up and see what it's really looking like. So it's all rolled up. I'm not gonna open this now. I'm gonna wait until I actually start my seeds next garden season. But I got an Epic heat mat, particularly for like the peppers and stuff, because the peppers definitely require a heat mat. I have another heat mat, but I need more than just one. So I got another one from Epic since it was on sale. And then the last bit of things that I got, a whole bunch of seeds, a whole bunch of seeds. So let me go through the different seeds that I got that we're gonna be planting 2026 garden season. Butterfly pea, blue tea. So this is a plant that I think is so cute. I see people talking about it. They grow the pea plant and then they use it to make a drink. And then when they add like something citrus to it, a citrus liquid like lemon or lime, it changes color. That's magical. So I wanted to get the drink so I could drink it and have it change color and show you guys how magical it is. Bok choy, and this is the choco bok choy. Waltman 29 broccoli. Celery. I actually love celery juice. Don't like eating celery fresh. I cannot stand fresh celery. I don't like it. You probably will not catch me eating fresh celery. But put celery in a juice? I will drink celery juice all day, every day. Georgia Southern collard greens. Before you guys revoke my black card, do not take my black card. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. I have never had collard greens. I don't think I've ever had collard greens in my life. I know it's a staple in the African American household, but I've never had it. And that's predominantly because, yes, of course, obviously I'm African American, but me a Jamaican me born, a Jamaican me come from. So in Jamaica, we don't really, collard greens, what is that? We don't know collard greens, we know callaloo. So that's why I used to grow so much callaloo this past garden season, because that's what I'm used to, that's what I know. We grow callaloo. We don't know nothing but it's collard greens. I am expanding my taste buds, my taste palette. And since everybody talks about collard greens, since everybody in the South specifically grows collard greens, I want to grow it and I want to try it. And I'm going to try and cook it. Wish me luck. But I got me some collards. More okra. But this time I got the red burgundy, just so we can have some color variation. I already have the green okra. Now I'm going to get some red okra, just for some razzle-dazzle, some color, spiced up in the garden. This is the yellow sweet Spanish Utah onion. I will be starting my onion seeds soon in January. And I told you guys in my previous video that the onions that I planted before were Walla Walla onions. And even though they grew well for me, they're just not long-term storage onions. So I believe these yellow sweet Spanish Utah onions will store better. And these are long day onions, which is better for my growing zone. We got, of course, like I said, Jamaican. We got some Scotch bonnet pepper. Now, hold up. You guys are probably like, why you buy Scotch bonnet pepper seed when you grew a whole plant of Scotch bonnet pepper this past garden season? I had a whole plant of Scotch bonnet pepper, you guys. It grew big. Enough peppers. It was big. It was beautiful. It produced so much peppers. I have bags and bags of Scotch bonnet pepper in my freezer. But I don't know if it was the variety. I don't know what it was. I don't know if I planted it with the sweet peppers. I don't know what happened. The pepper regular. The pepper not hot. The pepper just regular. No heat. It not hot at all. No heat at all. It's just a regular pepper. I cook with it and I don't taste the heat and I want the heat. So I'm like, wagwan, warm to the Scotch bonnet pepper. And that one that I grew, I bought the actual plant from a nursery. So I didn't buy the seeds. I didn't plant the seeds myself. I bought the plant from a nursery and it looks like Scotch bonnet. It smells like Scotch bonnet, but it don't taste like Scotch bonnet because there's no pepper, no heat to it. So I decided, you know what? Scrap that. I didn't save any seeds from that Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm like, you know what? Let's just start from scratch. Let's just start our own seeds. So I got my own Scotch bonnet pepper seeds. But wait, I didn't only get one. I got two. You want to know why? Once again, I'm thinking about y'all for the giveaway. I have to represent Jamaica in this giveaway. So we got the grow bag that I'm going to be giving away to you guys. And I said, whoever get it got to try Scotch bonnet pepper because Jamaican thing that. You have to try the Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to be putting one of these seed packets to the side for you guys. Next, more pepper, just cayenne pepper, because I want to make my own cayenne pepper seasoning. And also, since I'm going to have the chickens next year, I want to mix up the cayenne pepper in their feed for the winter. It will help with them in the winter time. And it also helps overall, I think. I believe so. That's what the research said. Shishito pepper. The reason why I got the shishito pepper was straight FOMO. Straight FOMO. No other reason. Fear of missing out. Everybody on the internet, every gardener that I watch grows shishito peppers, and they all say how delicious it is. Shishito pepper, good, it tastes good, it tastes nice, it's delicious. Well, I wanted to try it for myself. FOMO, fear of missing out. So I got me some shishito pepper. Glacier bush tomato, just to try a different variety. This is a semi-determinate type tomato, so we'll see next year how that goes. My top notch, my favorite tomato. Sun Gold tomato. Yes, y'all know I love me some Sun Gold. And I did not save seeds from the Sun Gold tomato plant that I had this past garden season. I should have, but I forgot and I got busy. So I had to buy more seeds. Jesus, how you pronounce that one here? Casto. You pronounce it yourself. Leave me alone. You'll pronounce it yourself. The picture just looks so cute. That's the only reason why I got it. It just looks cute. It just looks, something about the picture looked cute. And I was like, ooh, let's try it. And this is an indeterminate tomato. Pineapple tomato. Never tried it. Never had it. Another indeterminate tomato. I don't think it tastes like pineapple. I think it just, well, it says it has a hint of fruitness to it. So we're going to try it and see. Dill, because I do plan on pickling more cucumbers. Speaking of cucumbers, I don't think I ordered any cucumbers. I think I was supposed to order some cucumbers seeds and I didn't. Okay, well, we had the dill for when we were going to make some pickles. We had the dill. More carrots. This is Denver 126 carrot. And last but not least, from what I purchased, of course, you guys know, I just got a baby kitten. His name is Simba. And I'm like, let me plan something for my cat. Let me plan something for Simba. I got some catnip. So I'm going to plant the catnip, have him playing it when he wants to, when he's outside with me, because y'all know Simba is always outside with me. He wasn't outside with me today, so maybe not always, but he's usually outside with me. You guys see him in the video. Get him some catnip, and I can also put it in his little cat toys and stuff. So I'm thinking about my baby Simba. This one is for him. Because my order was over $150, I got a free gift with purchase. The option was either to get, well, the free gifts were more seeds. You can either get a flower packet, which is a packet of many different flower, like ornamental flower seeds, or the vegetable package, which was a mix of different vegetables. I actually really wanted the vegetable seeds, and I chose it initially, and then something happened and I had to redo my order, and I forgot to switch over to the vegetable package, the vegetable gift, free gift, and it stayed on the flower one. So I got the flower packages instead. I mean, it's not the worst thing, but I really wanted the vegetables. So let me show you the free seeds that I got with my purchase. Bee Balm, Love in a Mist, Cosmos, Zinnia, Dwarf Sunflower, Larkspur, Hollyhock, more Dwarf Sunflower, and Poppy. Those were the free seeds that I got for spending over $150. Now, there are some of them that I will be keeping and I will be planting, and the rest of them, I'm gonna put it in the giveaway for y'all. For y'all. I want y'all to have beautiful, luscious, wonderful gardens next garden season. So I will be putting some of them in the giveaway for you guys. Like I said, if you guys are interested in ordering, go ahead. Remember, we're planning for 2026 garden. Planning for next year's garden starts now. We don't sit around twiddling our thumbs and just looking outside. We can be planning inside, which is what I'm doing. I'm not hibernating, I'm planning. I'm planning for 2026. The giveaway is not in this video, but just know it's coming up. So just keep watching as I gather more things, as I get more things, as I purchase more things. I'm going to be putting it away for a giveaway for you guys. Not in this video though, but it's coming. But in my previous video, there's a giveaway. So if that giveaway has not ended yet, which I don't think it has yet. If you're watching this video, I don't think the other giveaway ended yet. So you might want to hop over and watch my previous video to get some, to spend. Anyway, I appreciate you guys, and I want to show my appreciation every single time I can. I want to tell you guys, and I want to show you guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you so much. And until my next video, we're going to be chit-chatting, we're going to be talking. Until my next video, I'll be talking to you guys in the comment section. Bye. All right, let's take the hat off, have the curls. All right, it got a little bit flat. Let's just use your curls back up. You good? Yes, curls are still curling. All right.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say, blew everybody away.